Add new markers in your survey photos easily with ViXR Survey. A marker is a specific location within a photo, typically identified for placing one or more signages, such as walls for fire extinguishers and emergency exits. To add a marker in your survey, go to the project's workspace. Select your project, and then the survey. To open the survey management screen, tap on the area thumbnail to open the photo view. Tap the plus icon on the right of the screen. Then, locate the place in the photo where the marker will be placed. Tap the location to open the Add Marker window. This window has 4 tabs. In the Details section, enter the marker name. Select a category and a subcategory for your marker. Add a location and a short description for the marker. In the Products section, select the artwork for the sign. Select the quantity and the size for the marker. In the Materials tab, make selections for the signage material, lamination, backing, and mounting. Here, check the Show Preview box to unlock the Preview tab. Select the Preview tab to verify the location of the marker. Finally, after verifying all the information, press Done to create a new marker in your photo.